I had a very special experience which brought me into my path, so to speak, because I was at the beginning like very average medical doctor doing very routine work, but then I had a car crash, and this car crash changed my life, because I was in such a bad state. I was broken all over, and pain I experienced was enormous. So that, I think that taught me how to be sympathetic to people in pain. It taught me also how I could be strong and overcome things myself. So I basically developed a program, healing program for myself. And within 7 months, I was back on my feet after literally a deadly car crash. So with that, it also changed my perspective on life. And I start questioning the, what do we do as medical doctors? Just giving pills, it's not the answer. The answer is much wider. You have to look at the whole, lifestyle. You need to look at your nutrition. You need to look at exercises. But more so, what I found that we actually missed a very, very important piece in recovery. Nobody talks about energy. And energy is so fundamental. From physics on a particle level, you cannot run any chemical reaction without electron to be in an excited state. Yes, you need that physical energy, fundamental energy, to do anything in the body. And and that's what becoming kind of my passion and my drive in life. So I found the various devices, I found the various modality, and I applied that in practice, and boom, people start recovering. And people recover, and they say, why don't I know about this? Why nobody talks about this? And I just become so passionate about this.